What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering 4 beginner friendly work from home customer service jobs where you can make around $19 per hour depending on which one of these jobs. And these are fully remote work from home positions that you can do from anywhere within the US. Now, if you are looking for a worldwide remote work from home job, something that you can do from outside the US or outside of North America, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel. That's going to be this channel right here. And within the past week, I've covered some really high paying, beginner friendly positions here. So for example, Experian was hiring in customer care and paying just about $1,000 per week. Also, there was another position here paying just about $20 per week. It was a full-time position. But if you're looking for worldwide jobs, I have covered worldwide positions before. So for example, in this video, I covered over 100 different jobs that you could do worldwide, no matter what country you were in. And some of these were paying over $1,300 per week. So really good high paying positions there. Also in this video, I covered how you can make $24 per hour watching videos online. That was also really good because you could do that from anywhere in the world as well. Also, other worldwide jobs covered data entry, making around $35, working from home, doing data entry remotely anywhere in the world. So from time to time, I do find high paying remote work from home jobs that you can do worldwide. So with that said, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on all notifications for this channel. So as soon as I find another worldwide remote work from home job position, you'll be the first to be notified and you can apply for that position. So with that covered, let's dive into the job leads for today, which are going to be customer service type of jobs. So first one is going to be at this company, Curry. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And they're currently looking for a customer service representative. This is a remote position within the US. And in this job, you will answer customer calls efficiently with the goal of achieving a 100% answered rate, provide exceptional support and assist customers and drivers with inquiries, be agile and flexible, assisting with tasks such as chats, outbound calls, and delivery dispatching when required. Become a Curry expert to fully support customers and guide them through any aspect of their delivery. Ensure clear and effective communication to address any customer concerns or issues. Collaborate with the team to provide feedback and improve customer call experience. And they're looking for someone that has a fun personality, positive attitude, eagerness to learn, excellent written and verbal communication skills, top-notch customer service skills, and proficient in G Suite, which would include Google Docs and Google Sheets. And for this position, there was no salary listed. They only mentioned that they offer a competitive salary, benefits including health, dental, vision, 401k, and an equity compensation grant. So to figure out how much this company is paying, I went over to Glassdoor, was able to find them on Glassdoor. So this is Curry on Glassdoor. Take a look at the overall rating here is just about 4 out of 5 stars. So rated really well, only 22 reviews though, so not a lot of info here. First review here is a 5-star review. This person was working as a customer success associate. Pros: unlimited PTO, great staff, and friendly environment. Cons: nothing comes to mind. So it seems to be a great place to work based on the overall rating and reviews. If you take a look at salaries, the first salary here is a customer success associate salary, so kind of similar to that position that we're looking at. So based on 3 reported salaries, they're paying on average around $53,000 per year, or anywhere from $44,000 to $65,000 per year. So I'd say it's somewhere in the low 20s range, probably like $20, $21, $22 per hour, depending on the range here. So I think that's what you can expect to make here, even though there wasn't any mention of what the salary would be. So if you are interested in something like this, I'll leave the link down below for this position. You guys can apply, and be sure to apply as quickly as possible, because usually when you have jobs like this where they don't require any experience, they also don't require a college degree, and they're paying fairly well for this type of job, they tend to go very quickly. So link is down below for this one. Now, another position that is open in customer service right now is at Acosta, and they're looking for a customer service coordinator, and this is another fully remote position. Now, this position, this is what the responsibilities will include. So receive order issues from external parties in a professional manner, resolve issues with knowledge, experience, and research, update order in order system as necessary, review dashboard for alerts on a daily or hourly basis, escalate unresolved issues to appropriate parties, escalate issues to customer service specialist or supervisor as needed, perform resolution procedures outlined, escalate all unresolved rules engine issues to customer service supervisor, maintain client customer criteria for handling orders, responsible for filing documents, maintain excellent working relationships with customers, clients, and coworkers, perform special assignments for the company as needed. And qualifications for this job here, you need a high school diploma, associate degree, and formal customer service training would be preferred but is not required. Also 2 years of business process solutions, customer service, and or administrative experience would be preferred, and 1 year of food broker experience would be preferred. So a lot of these are preferred but not required. So even if you don't have this experience, you can still apply for this job. Also, they want someone that is or has strong interpersonal, organizational, and administrative skills, able to operate a calculator, computer, printer, fax machine, telephone, and copier, proficient in Microsoft Office, proficient in data order entry software, also type a minimum of 60 words per minute. And for this job, the salary they listed was a range of $24,000 to $30,000 per year. So this one is on the lower end. I mean, $30,000 per year, I think that's gonna be just about $16 or $15 per hour. So this is on the lower end, but again, not a whole lot required for this job. All you really need is a high school diploma and be able to have some basic working skills. So no real experience required. So if you're looking for a first job, first remote work from home job, or just your first job in general, something that doesn't require a lot, then this would be another good option. And I'll leave the link down below for this one as well. I was able to find this company on Glassdoor Costa. They have overall rating is 3.1 out of 5 stars. They have over 2,800 reviews and almost 4,000 reported salaries. So you could take a look at some of the salaries here and see what other people reported making. You could look for that position as well, see what people reported making for that, but it's gonna be paying around $30,000 per year. Now, another position that you guys could look into if you're interested in customer service would be at Working Solutions. Currently, they have 2 new roles here, or it's 1 new role. One is in Canada, one is in the United States. They're both the same thing. They pay the same amount. Requirements are the same. For this one, you don't need to do an interview and you don't really need any experience. Also, it's really flexible, so you could do this part-time or full-time. And this one is making or paying upwards of $19 per hour. And all you really need here is a sincere desire to assist the customer, to be tech savvy and an avid computer user, ability to multitask and navigate multiple systems, and be able to communicate with a friendly tone and professional demeanor, have high-speed internet access, Windows 10 or 11, or a MacBook where you can use Apple's Boot Camp utility to install Windows 11, wired USB headset and microphone, antivirus, and again, high-speed internet connection. And that's about it for this job. So some really good customer service jobs here at Working Solutions, also at Acosta, and the other position here at Curry. So you guys can apply for any one. Links are down below. Now, if you guys are struggling with your resume or you're struggling with landing interviews, be sure to check out this resource that I created, the Pro Resume Templates right here. Professionally done, eye-catching and interview landing resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which just simply means now that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out, actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So these will definitely help to land you more job offers or more interviews. Included are 3 resume templates with instructions on how to customize them. That way they remain ATS compliant. Also matching cover letter templates, matching reference pages. And if you want to use interview follow-ups, then they're included as well. And you could customize these using Google Docs, which is free, and you could use this on any device or platform. So MacBook friendly, PC friendly, and any other device that has the internet and a browser, you can use that to edit these templates. So this resource is linked down below if you do need it. But with that covered, these were the job leads for today. Hopefully these help you land a job. And as always, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.